5 Best Cryptocurrency Exchanges in the World to Buy Any Altcoins. Binance offers a mobile app and max number of cryptos, basic and advanced trading. A lot of exciting features including margin trading, and exchange coin. BitMEX is a high-volume crypto exchange created by a team of economists, high-frequency traders and web developers. This exchange is idler for the advanced traders. Unlike Bittrex and Poloniex, you can trade using USD, with a wire fee of at least $20. Also, users will need to pay a trade fee that varies from 0.1% to 0.8%. Using Coinbase you can quickly buy cryptocurrencies and trade at the same time. They have an app for both iOS and Android, which gives you the comfort of exchanging cryptocurrencies from anywhere. ChangeNow is one of the easiest ways to get a hold of various cryptocurrencies. ChangeNow has a proven track record of good products being put out into the crypto space. Using these cryptocurrency exchanges you will allow buying almost all of the cryptos you could ever want to buy. For more details, visit our website and subscribe to our channel.